singing a song because they were able to recognize the fact that God was in the midst of their moving. They were able to sing a song because they recognized the fact that they were moving from one place to another in their existence. They were able, my brothers and my sisters, to sing a song because they recognized the fact that God was getting ready to make their situation better. They were able to sing a song because they recognized the fact that although they had been through many toils and many snares, they were able to understand that it was grace that had led them safe thus far, and grace shall lead them on. They were able to sing a song because they recognized the fact that even in the midst of their tears, they served a God that was able to wipe every tear from their weeping eye. They were able to sing a song because they recognized the fact that even in the midst of their turmoil, even in the midst of their trials and their tribulations, that they served a God who was able to step in to the middle of war and give them peace for their souls. Is there anybody here that is able to sing a song because you know that whatever you're going through, that trouble don't last always? Is there anybody here that's able to sing a song because you know that weeping may endure for a night, but I read in my word that joy cometh in the morning? Oh, ain't nothing like being able to sing a song, baby, that when folk are talking about you, you still can sing, this is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. And guess what, baby? Although you talking about me, I will rejoice. I will rejoice and be glad. They were able to sing a song because they knew that God didn't bring me this far to leave me by myself. They were able to sing a song because they knew in just a few more risings and setting of the sun, we gonna go from a pity party to a praising party. They were able to sing a song because they knew that when all of God's people get together, oh, what a time, what a time, what a time. They were able to sing a song because they knew that when God moves you, God always moves us in a place or a situation that is better and more productive than the situation that we were once in. That's on the move. God said, I'm looking for a radical church because I'm a radical God. Only a radical God could step out of nothing, speak a word, and everything that was not has no choice but to become what is, because a radical God stepped out and said, let it be. Only a radical God can sling the stars into the black night of the celestial skies and tell them to hang there and don't you fall until I tell you to fall, because I am a radical God. Only a radical God can tell the sun, look here, boy, don't you come up until I say come up. And when you come up, I want you to come up in the east. And then when I tell you to go down, I want you to go down in the west. And don't you do nothing else. Only a radical God can reach down from a perfect heaven, reach into the abyss of my mess, pick me up and down. God said, looking for a radical church, because I am a radical God. The picture that we paint of God in the church is not an accurate picture of who God is. The picture that we paint of God in the church is a picture of a cantankerous, antiquated, separatist, misogynistic God who sits back and waits for you to change before he reaches to get you out. But I've come to let you know today that the God you paint is not the God that I serve. The God you paint is the God that ain't. You can't paint that picture of God because that's not the picture of who God is. You can paint it if you want to with your mean, belligerent, and conniving self, but that ain't who God is. That ain't the God that I serve. The God that I serve is a loving God. Don't matter who you are, God loves you. Don't matter where you've been, God loves you. Don't matter mistakes you made, God loves you. Don't matter how messed up you were last night, God loves you. Don't matter how much dope you smoke, God loves you. No matter how much alcohol you drink, God loves you. No matter how many folk you slept with, God loves you. No matter who left you, God loves you. No matter who turned their back on you, God loves you. No matter who put you down, God loves you. Tell your neighbor, you may not love me, but I just want to let you know that God loves me. He loved me so much that he died for me. He loved me so much that he picked me up. He loved me so much that he turned me around. He loved me so. He loves me. Shout, he loves me. All say it like you mean it. He loves me. He loves me. He loves me. He loves me with all my mess. He loves me with all of my mistakes. He loves me. You can look at me like you're better than I am, but I ain't worried about you because God loves me. Oh, you can talk about me if you want to, but I ain't concerned because God loves me. You can talk about the mistakes I made, the children I had out of wedlock, the number of folk I went with. Oh, I don't care because God loves me. You can talk about who I cheated on and who I cheated with, but God loves me. He loved me so much that he reached down when I was in that mess and he picked me up and he loves me.